Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the browser. You need Chrome, Edge, or Firefox on PC and the browser updated. Once done, enable extensions in settings so the browser will allow themes. Next, search your browser's extension store for a reputable dark mode or site theme extension and click Install. Make sure to grant only necessary permissions. You're doing this first because it's the foundation that lets you force dark styling on Soundcloud pages directly. Now configure the extension to target Soundcloud. Open the extensions options and add Soundcloud. COM as a site rule, so changes apply only there. Choose the built-in dark preset or tweak background, text, and accent colors to keep waveforms readable. Make sure contrast is high and font sizes remain legible. If the extension offers apply on HTTPS or per site enabling, toggle it on. Test by reloading Soundcloud. You should see the UI switch to your chosen dark palette. Finish by reloading Soundcloud and checking every page type, tracks, playlists, and user profiles. If the dark mode doesn't appear, clear the site cache and try again. Conflicts often come from other theme extensions, so disable those. As a last step, you can open Browser DevTools and add a quick CSS override for stubborn elements. This is useful when a player or waveform remains bright. If problems persist, restart the browser and verify the extension has permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.